She blesses us with her kalyan of prosperity. So let us all prostrate ourselves to Mahalakshmi this morning. Ask her to remove all darkness and bless us with righteousness. Om Lakshmi Karotu Kalyan Arogyam Sukha Sampada Mama Satro Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir Namostute Om Namaste Astu Mahamaye Shri Pite Surabhojate Shankha Chakra Gadaste Mahalakshmi Namostute Om Siddhi Bhuli Prade Devi Bhuti Mukti Pranayani Manjamurti Sara Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Mahalakshmi Namostute Prem se bol Shri Mahalakshmi Mata की जय।